Welcome back, everyone. Kyle here. Welcome to another video. Back in SpinTires again. We're gonna leave right where we left. Oh, squeak! We're gonna leave right off where we were last time, and I'm gonna change trucks. Jump in this real quick. Start it up, and then we are gonna head to the D537. Not really sure how this is gonna work out. Probably won't make it. Probably gonna get stuck, but we're gonna try it. Should pick a set a route actually. Boom, that's where we want to go. Probably that would be the safest route, but I'm not really sure if this will actually make it that way. But we're gonna find out. The good thing is I do have a winch, so definitely, taking some damage already. I'm gonna try to take the road as far as I can. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Okay, where does the road lead? Not the way I need to go. I need to go... Man, this is gonna be rough. We'll do it. We'll find a way. I have faith. Never mind, we're gonna go right there. Oh man, we're like legit almost out of gas. Maybe this isn't a good idea. Actually, can I use some of the gas on myself? I think I can. Still got 225 liters. Should be enough to get the 8x8 back. Oh, parking brakes on. Doing a little burnout. Ah, can't get into gear. I just don't want to roll it or anything. That's my goal, is to make it there safely. Gotta slow it down a little bit. Damage is getting too heavy. Don't really know how well this is gonna work out. Hopefully we can just plow through this puddle, and it looks like we're gonna. D77-4. I'm gonna just try to take it the smoothest route possible. We do have to actually make a left soon, so hopefully... Whoops. Oh no! I came out of gear. Never gonna get up this hill now. Oh, maybe I will. Little e-brake boost. I'm kind of worried this might break down out here just because it's got very little ground clearance. And I get damage every time I move just because these ruts are so deep. As long as it stays at 1, I'm okay. I just don't want to be getting up into crazy high numbers. See if I can get out of this. I need to get out of this rut really bad. Uh-oh, I'm burying it. Time to bust out the winch. So glad I have this thing. Take that off. Try to take it through the trees. Don't really know how this is going to end up, but No! Christmas tree, damn you! Just don't break, please. We made it! Oh, 20 damage, damn. Trying to figure out what's the best way to get there. Probably if we go up towards the lumber and take that road down, it'd be the quickest way. This old girl's struggling. I lied, we're gonna go this way. I always struggle getting it into that gear, I don't know why. Oh! I'm just trying to save this thing from getting damage. Oh, we're getting in the red. Yeah, we're making it. Okay, we want to go right or west. I think this thing is lighter than the other trucks. That's why I'm not having such a hard time. It may be not. Maybe it's heavier. Maybe it's just got better weight distribution and wants to float on top of the mud rather than sink. I don't know if this is going to actually benefit us going this way, but we're going to find out soon enough. I just really want to make it there without destroying this thing. Oh, that's worrying. Well, it's happening now, because else I'm gonna roll it. Yeah, come on, baby, you got this. Yes. Smoking, almost on fire too. Damn, 3 damage. This is getting terrifying. Just gotta take it slow and steady. I should take this down this way, I believe. Hey, look, a huge ass rock. Let's back up. I don't really want to drive over that just because it's going to cause some more damage. I'm driving over it anyways. And it did. It caused a lot of damage. It's exactly like I said it was going to. Hey. Hey. Ooh, just skimmed the mirror. I keep hitting the wrong button. Keep going to change the view, but I don't know why I keep hitting that button. Ooh, that's gonna be rough. I don't know if I can make it through that. No way. That might be doable. Negative. Oh my, are you kidding me? Time for some winch work. I just want it to slide, not to... flip. I can drive it forward a little bit now. Get the tires spinning. There we go. Okay. See if we can go through here. Yes. Damage is getting severely close to being, to being destroyed. It's kind of scary. But we made it to the road. We're almost there. We got this. Oh fuck. Maybe we don't got this. Oh, never mind. We don't even have to cross the river. I'm not going that way though. I'm gonna go this way. Just because it looks safer. That's a deep mud hole though. Oh, never mind. If we stay to the left, should be able to make it up this, I would assume. Grinding. Sparks are flying. Differential's getting... Oh shit. I'm getting nervous. I'm gonna stay in this view for a little bit. I promise you, we're gonna make it. Oh. I gotta make it through the trees? Shit. It's right there though. I can see it. As long as I can get close enough to fuel it. So close from dying. It becomes a delicate procedure now. I'm gonna back up. We're gonna go up over this way. Just because I can't afford to hit anything. this is so scary. Please make it. We're almost free. Maybe not. We gotta back up. I gotta try to fit in between these trees right here. Shit. There's no way that's happening. I mean, I can try fitting by the house again, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. No way. I gotta go around the house. Come on, just please give me some road. Grinding gears. 568. Ooh, that was scary. This is deep. Still 568. Yes, we did it! Yay! Hey, we're gonna refuel. Fuel canister, fuel up. Now this thing is stranded here. I'm just gonna rescue it at the garage though. So thanks for watching, guys. This actually is going to be the end of this video. I have to piss really bad. Sorry, but this is going to be the end. Next video we're going to be driving this truck right here. I believe this is the 8x8. We're going to be taking this to the garage because it has the garage carriage on it, so we can get some more garage points, and then we're going to go swap out we're going to go get the log cart on it or whatever, swap out utilities, whatever it's called, attachments, and then we're going to get some logs and deliver them. So be sure to stay tuned for those future episodes. Thanks for watching, really do appreciate it. Be sure to leave a like. Any comments and feedback are always greatly appreciated. And be sure to click the TV for if you're new to my channel. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. All you have to do is click that TV on there on the screen. It'll bring you to my homepage or my YouTube channel page where you can subscribe and check out all my other videos. I gotta go to the bathroom. Bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Bye bye. Oh man.